Hello, welcome back to the channel. If you're looking for a way to track budget forecast versus actual in Monday.com, you're in the right place. Let's dive straight in. First up, log into your Monday.com account. Now, this step is your entry point into the world of Monday.com, where you'll have access to your team's workspaces and boards. Once you're in, navigate to the board where you're tracking your budget. The reason we do this is to ensure we're working with the correct data set. If you don't have a budget board yet, you can quickly create one by clicking on Add New and selecting Board. Now that we've done that, it's time to add columns for budget forecast and actual spend. These are the two key figures we'll be comparing. You can add columns by clicking on the plus column button. Make sure to choose the numbers column type for both. This helps us because it enables Monday.com to perform calculations with these numbers further down the line. Next up, let's fill in the data. Input your forecasted budget and actual spend for each budget line. No need to worry about the calculations. Monday.com has us covered on that front. The magic happens in the next step. We're going to add a formula column named Variance. This column will automatically calculate the difference between your budget forecast and actual spend. When you add a formula column, a dialog box opens. Input the formula budget forecast, actual spend. This gives us the variance, which is a critical indicator of whether we're over or under our budget. Now, let's explain why this matters. By tracking the variance, you can quickly identify areas where you're overspending and need to cut back, or areas where you're underspending and may have room to invest more. To keep an eye on your budget performance at a glance, consider using Monday.com's dashboard feature. Here, you can add widgets that display your budget data in various formats, such as charts or tables. And that's it. It's as simple as that to track budget forecast versus actual in Monday.com. Now, you're equipped to keep a close eye on your budget and make informed decisions. Thanks for joining us today, and we'll see you in the next one.